Hello friends, today we will discuss the problem. In this problem we are given the length and breadth of a rectangle and radius of a circle. Means we are given with the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Length is 5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. So we will write here the length of the rectangle is 5 meter and assign a variable L, small l, for the length. Secondly, we are given with that breadth is 5 meter. So we will write breadth of the rectangle is 5 meter and assign variable B. So and next is the case that the radius of the circle is given, which is 6 meter. So we will take the case of the circle at the second part and we will write radius of the circle is 6 meter and take a variable small r for this. So the question demands that write a program to calculate the area and perimeter of the rectangle, and the area and the circumference of the circle. So firstly we will discuss the case of the rectangle. So in the rectangle we have the length, we have the breadth. So from the mathematics formula that the area of the rectangle is length into breadth, which is 5 into 420 square meter, and the perimeter of rectangle is given by twice of length into length plus breadth. Means we have to firstly add the length and breadth. Length is given as 5, breadth is given as 4, and we have to twice of this, which is 18 meter. Likewise, in the case of the circle, we are given with the radius 6 meter. We must know the formula of area of the circle is pi r square. So we will multiply pi. Pi have the value 22 by 7, or we can say 3.14. We directly put it 3.14 into 6 into 6, which is 113.04 square meter. Next we have to find the circumference of a circle, which is given by the formula 2 into pi into r. So we will write 2 pi as 3.14 and r as 6 meter, and the answer will be 37.68 meter. So now we will try it on our C platform. So go for a new file. In this, firstly we will write the title of the program. Here we will write in short that find area and perimeter of rectangle, and second is find area and circumference of circle, and detail is given in already in our statement. So we will include the header files. Firstly we will include studio.h. After that we will include conio.h. After that we will include math.h. Next we will write main with the round brackets. After that curly bracket. We will take all the variables in float because there are the multiplication with the pi's. So we will consider all with the float. So we will assume L as the length of the rectangle, B as the breadth of the rectangle, AR is area of rectangle, PR is the perimeter of the rectangle, R is the radius of the circle, AC is the area of the circle, and CC is the circumference of the circle. We can write all these things in comment here. So next we will move to find the values of L, B and R. These are already given in the statement that L is 4, B is 5, R is 6. So firstly we will go for the area of the rectangle, which we have taken a variable AR. So we will write here the formula area is equal to length into breadth. Second is perimeter of the rectangle, which is given by the formula 2 into length plus breadth. Next we have to find the area of the circle, which is given by pi r square. So we can directly put the value of 3.14 into r into r. Next is we have to find the circumference of the circle, which is 2 into pi. Pi is 3.14 into r. So we have all the values now with us. So we will write the command printf to display it. So we will write printf. Firstly we will give a /n and we'll write here area of rectangle is equal to A is equal to, because it is of float type, so we will write here %f and we'll write the unit of that, which is in square meter. So we will write square meter for that. After that we will use a new line /n and write perimeter of rectangle, which is also float type. So we will write here %f and write the unit of it, meter. After that again we will use the /n and will write area of circle, which is again in float type. So we will write %f and the unit of that is square meter. You can write it in caps, or if you want it in small you can write that in that way. Again we will write circumference of circle, which is equal to %f and its units are in meter. Again now we have to write, firstly we have taken area of rectangle, so in the same sequence we have to write it AR, perimeter of the rectangle PR, area of the circle AC, and circumference of the circle CC. Now we have to close it with the semicolon and close the curly bracket here. So now we will put one more command here, CLR SCR, which I have already told that this is for clearing the previous outputs. So now we will save it We can press F2 directly, or we can go to the file tab here and save it. We will save it with any name. Here I am saving it with RC, means R for the rectangle and C for the circle dot C. So now we will check it. We will go to the compile tab and compile it. It is showing 0 error. So our code is okay. So now we will check what is the output. Our output is area of the rectangle is 20, perimeter of the rectangle is 18, area of the circle is 113.04, and circumference of the circle is 37.68. So check it with here. Our area was 20, which is right. Perimeter is 18. Area of the circle is 113.04 and circumference is 37.68. So we find that our program is okay. Here we will do more on this. We can see that the outputs are in more decimal points, like 20.0000 up to 6 decimal points. Here you can see that the output of the area of the circle is 113.040001. So we can control these decimal points. How? Now learn it. In the printf command, if we will put here between %f a decimal point and the point up to which you want the output. So here I am putting it up to 2 points, so I will write the 0.2. Means in between % and f I am inserting decimal point and the digits up to which I want decimal points. Likewise, if here I insert 0.2, so it will show for the 2 decimal points. Here again 0.2, and in this also I am inserting 0.2. So it will control the decimal points, as we were finding. Firstly, we are here finding the outputs in the 6 decimal points. Now we will save these by going to the file tab and save it. And now we will compile it by pressing Ctrl F9. And now we will see the output, that what is the output. Now here you can see that our decimal points are now up to the 2 points. We have only 2 decimal points. In this you can see perimeter of the rectangle is also limited to the 18.00. Area of the circle is also limited to the 113.04. Circumference of the circle is also limited to the 37.68. So in this way, by writing the decimal points in printf command, we can control these decimal points.